When I'm cleansing, I usually use our Lash Artistry Lash Bath or Scentsy Bath. Today I'm going to use our Scentsy Bath just because it's really super gentle, so I really like using this when I'm doing fills especially. I find the Scentsy Bath is so gentle that you can basically open your eyes with it on there. So it's a really good option for when you are working to cleanse lashes when someone already has lashes on. So I start by taking a couple pumps, putting it on my lash brush, and really getting in there. So what you're looking to do here, you don't have to be crazy gentle because the brush has such fine little fibers, but it's okay to lose a couple little lashes while you're doing it as well. But basically you want to get right around that follicle, so really around the lash line. Don't be afraid to get in there and go up, down, all over. Because all of the dirt and debris and stuff seems to build up around that lash line, and you need to make sure that that's really clean because that's where you're looking for also for the bond. So we really need to get in there. This actually works as a makeup remover as well, so it's not just for debris. And when you feel like it's cleaned, you're gonna hold up your face cloth on the side because water is gonna run off and onto the towel, and you're gonna tilt their head all the way to the side there. Give a good brush through. Make sure you got that cleanser all through there and have a look. Then I take my little tiny bottle with warm water, of course. Clients actually love this. They say it feels really nice. Just let some roll on. And you can go ahead and dry. So there will come a time when your clients roll up with waterproof mascara on, and this is not going to get rid of waterproof mascara. The only thing that's going to get rid of waterproof mascara is actually oil, and oil also removes the extensions. So we want to make sure that our clients are not coming to appointments with that, and we really have to educate them on that, because not only will the lashes not adhere properly because there will be that coating of mascara on their lashes, but also it's really damaging for the lashes to have that on there for a really long period of time. And the lashes just won't bond to it because they'll bond to the waterproof mascara and not to the actual eyelash.